Hey guys, Justin here and welcome back to my channel Costa Fishing. In today's video we're going to be heading down to Playa Potrero before sunrise. We're going to be throwing some soft plastic paddle tail lures for some snook, sea bass, snapper, and whatever else we can get to bite. And at the end of this video we're going to show you guys a super local delicious ceviche recipe that'll help you learn how to prep your own fish after you make a nice catch on the beach. So without further ado, let's dive right into some beach fishing action.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that Robalo. Woo! Are you kidding me right now? That's amazing. Woo-hoo-hoo. What a way to start the morning here today, guys. Absolutely epic. That one might be as big as my last one. Woo-hoo-hoo. Something big just grabbed that. Hit big anyways. I don't know what we got on here. Oh, we got a nice Corvina. All right. Beauty. We got another Corvina. Holy smokes, they are on fire this morning. I could tell that one was a Corvina just from the head shakes on the surface. Nice. A little bit smaller, but still awesome. All right, good morning everybody. Welcome to beautiful Playa Potrero. Today we are throwing these soft plastic paddle tails for some sea bass, snook, and snapper, hopefully. It's pretty windy today, so I decided not to use live bait, and I decided to put on a 3.5-inch paddle tail lure with a 1/2 ounce jig head. And this is paired with my 4000 Quantum Benchmark reel, my 7.6 St. Croix Triumph rod. It's a medium heavy action. I have 30-pound leader on here and 15-pound braided line. So we're gonna throw this soft plastic out there, do some jigging action, and see if we can get some sea bass or some snapper to hit. In my opinion, these are the best eating fish in the bay, without a doubt. They are great for ceviche, fried, or pan-seared, however you want to do them. They are just awesome. If you guys want to book a beach fishing trip while you're staying in Playa Potrero, feel free to contact me at www.fishpotrero.com, and we can set you guys up with a beach fishing trip, kayak fishing trip, or many charter boats that we have to offer on our website. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tight lines.